Hey, it's been over a year since I made my virtual financial group review video. The question is, do I still feel the same way? Find out next. What's up, guys? It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer, and in this video, I want to talk about a company that's still around, still doing what it does. It's called a virtual financial group. All right, now I did a video well over a year ago, I believe. It was titled Virtual Financial Group Review, and to this day, I'm still getting messages and questions about this company, about this money making opportunity. People want to know, like, yo, is it legit? Should I pursue it? Should I go with it? Seriously, and it's weird because I'm doing this video because I haven't been thinking about virtual group at all, since I really did the video. But like lately, I got a couple text messages and emails about this company. So getting straight to the point. In the video I made a while ago, I was saying how I was approached to do the opportunity, and it was presented to me to be an opportunity almost like, work from home, be your own boss type thing. And I was introduced to it as being like, listen, you're going to be selling life insurance to people, right? We're going to show you how to make some crazy commissions just by selling life insurance. So me, at the time, I'm always looking for a good opportunity. It's all about multiple streams of income. That's what I'm about. So I'm looking at it, I'm like, it was presented pretty good. I'm pretty cool with marketing, fairly decent with talking to people. I'm like, this could be, wow. And it's recurring income. This is what they say, it's recurring income. You're helping people out. You're making good money, all of that stuff, right? So when I jumped on, I started the process, and there's some little fees that's involved. I forget. One fee was for like an application fee, and another fee is like, I forget what they give it the title to, but it's like $100 or $200 fee that you must pay. Now, one of them fees, I forget which one it is. You can watch my previous video. One of the fees were refundable, and one is not. I forget which one is which, but one is, one isn't. All right, so at the end of the day, I did end up getting I did get some money back from something. I did pay for like the application fee, and another part of the program I did pay, and I lost some money on that. And keep it real, because at the time, the way it was presented was like, okay, you do this, and you keep going through these steps. And once I completed them, it just seemed like it became more and more like, nah. This is what the program is really like. This is what you really need to do. And I just instantly got turned off of that because, guys, if you don't know, I've been doing online marketing stuff since like 2007, 2008. So like 10, 11 years, I've been seeing a lot of programs. So I'm already like, this is kind of acting weird. This ain't me learning how to sell insurance and I just go out and get leads and get commissions. This is like, why is there so much stuff involved, right? So ended up not doing it. Kind of walked away from it just because it just felt, and I said this before, guys, if the company's selling life insurance, right, but they're more focused on me recruiting other recruiters instead of hyping up the life insurance, like your product should be more marketed more than even the recruiting or the recruiting people, or it should at least be 50-50. To me, it's my opinion, they were more worried about, we need more sellers and sellers and sellers. And another thing that I didn't like was the fact that to me, they're like, all right, you need, for you to profit, you need to get some sort of life insurance policy for yourself, and you need to keep that policy and then recruit other people, and hopefully they get policies for you to make money. Here's my problem with that. What if I don't want their their service. But they kind of push and promote the fact, well, if you really want to get popping, you need to get one of our policies. And then you're now you jump from you just trying to look for a money making opportunity, you just trying to be your own boss. You jump from that to now you paying money every month. Huh? What? Huh? That's like Walmart, or I can't explain. That's like you getting hired to work at a pet store, and they tell you that you gotta buy one dog every month. You gotta keep, you know what I mean? You gotta buy a dog. That's a terrible example, but whatever. It's like you're just trying to make money, right? So I really had an issue with that, because I'm like, okay, but what if I don't want your life insurance? Or what if I don't like what you're offering? I just wanted to sell, you know what I'm saying, the thing, because that's how it's presented to me. So that's why I didn't really do it, and it was just too whatever. Now, some people that were talking to me very, very recently, and I talked to different people, and they both basically were saying the same thing that I was saying over a year ago. Might even almost be two, I don't know. But it's like the company, to me, and from talking to other people that I'd never met before, they reached out to me, and they both are kind of not happy with the system once they got involved to it. Now, both of these people I spoke with, they didn't go too far. They basically, maybe one guy went to the point where I went, and the other guy went a little further than I did. And both of them basically were saying like they just don't feel, you know, the company is what they expected. Now, to be fair, do I think it's possible to make money with Virtual Financial Group? Yeah, like I do. I think it's a lot of cases misleading to some people. And everybody's different. All the recruiters, they all got different styles, and they all got different, you know, angles to it and everything. That's fine. But ultimately, everybody's saying the same thing. Like, once you get involved, you're coming out money before you make money, a lot of money before you come out of money, and you're expected to get, you know, their services, and then you're expected to get other people to sell the service and get the service. That's my experience on it. Somebody else might hop on here and comment and be like, no, let me tell you something. I talked to the people, I paid money, got some money back, lost some money. So I am qualified to talk about, you know, this situation. Do I think there's people making money? They probably are. I'm sure. There's, you know, whatever. It is what it is. But that's my take on it, guys. I still can't really recommend jumping into this, especially a lot of people who are looking into this company. They're new to making money online, and they're being approached. And let me tell you something, if you're really new to making money online, to me, definitely don't mess with this, because this is gonna like throw you, you know what I mean? Like, you're gonna be like, what the I ain't with this making money online stuff, because it's a lot more than you would think. And if you're experienced with making money online, you'll probably start seeing little red flags pop up. So either way, it is what it is. People also always ask me, well, what do you recommend? Because in that video I talked about a company I'm with, Genesity. If you're new to making money online, or you're looking for a company that's very, very simple, black and white, like you can become an associate and sell products. It's that simple. You're not obligated to buy products from Genesity. You're not. If you're interested in that, check it out. You can ask me about it if you're serious. You know what I'm saying? Because Genesity is a home business opportunity, just like anything else. You will have to be willing to put some effort in, but it's really, really cool. I make money with it. They got some cool products, because you will literally just become an associate, pick the products you want to promote. Yes, you can build a team underneath you, or you could just sell the products. It's more profitable if you build a team and sell the products, but you do not have to. That's the thing. You don't have to. Cool products, guys. If you want to check that out, that's what I do. One of the things that I do. If you want to check that out, link below. Also, if you have some good questions and really need help, you can give me a call or text, because my link is below. That's the take on it, guys. Virtual Financial Group new review update. That's how I feel. Hopefully I helped you out. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and I will see you in the next video. And be sure to subscribe. Peace. Hey, thanks for watching this video. I just got 3 quick questions for you. 1, if you had the opportunity to make a passive income month after month, would you? 2, if you can work whenever you want, from wherever you want, would you? And the 3rd question is, if you could have your own business in a billion-dollar industry, would you? If you answered yes to any of these questions, click the link in the description, and I'll talk to you soon.